my guy. This is that thing. This is what's happening. I'm Tony Siglich, and this is the Technophiles Newscast. Last week, Google unveiled their new OS update that's codenamed Android M at their Google I/O 2015 conference. No word yet on what sweet confectionery the M stands for. Unlike their last update, Android Lollipop, M is more of a polish and update to security. Some of these new features include a wide integration for Android Pay, which was announced earlier this year, and is going to operate very similarly to Apple Pay. This will allow you to make payments with your phone, and they're saying it's more secure than your credit card. This update also standardizes fingerprint authentication, which is very similar to what's on the new iPhones. Android M will also have new apps specifically ask for information like location, your contacts, or your camera, instead of having one big wall of legal speak right before you download it. And again, this is also kind of similar to how iOS operates. We're not trying to say that Android's falling behind or that they're stealing ideas from Apple. Both companies borrow the best ideas from each other. This just sort of happens to be their turn. Of course, there are plenty of things that aren't iOS influenced too. Android M will have a new feature called Doze that uses your device's sensors to see when it's being used, and then it'll conserve power to extend the battery life. Google claims that Doze has doubled the battery life of some of their tablets. We'll see how that works with phones, seeing as how they get jostled around a little more, but it should be interesting. This is just the initial announcement, so we expect Google to release a lot more information before the initial release date, which isn't even set yet. So we'll keep an eye on it and see where it goes. What do you hope is implemented for M? And do you have any guess on what M stands for? Let us know in the comments below or tweet us at TechnopilesPod. You can find us on Facebook by searching Technophiles or visit our website, technophilespodcast.com, where you can find our podcast, the Technophiles Podcast. Thanks, and we'll see you Friday. We have malted milk balls, Milky Way, milk chocolate, Mounds, M&M's, marshmallows, Manfred, molybdenum, Manwich, meatball sub, Matt Damon.